Tired, stressed, overwhelmed? Well, let me take you on an amazingly fabulous trip to Geneva. Well, first things first, I think it's time for a cup of coffee. That's how I started my day, at my favorite little coffee shop where I was also able to get my favorite little pastry. I love starting my day this way. And then it was time to actually move from the hotel where I was to the hotel that the travel agent booked for me. Now, I was at another hotel located in the city center, if you've seen the previous vlogs, but now it was time to move into the Hotel Metropole Geneve. When I tell you that this was such a luxury, and the great thing was it was close to the city center, so it was close to the hotel where I was and also close to all of the fabulous shopping located right in the heart of Geneva. Let's take a look at the room. We have another room tour. The entire wall is mirrors. My suitcase, they brought my suitcase up. I'm gonna need some more Swiss francs because I keep giving these people $20 bills and I'm like, I need to start asking for change. Anyway, today's outfit. I actually picked this shirt up from Zara yesterday. I'm wearing my favorite baggy jeans. I have the Bottega hiking boots because we're supposed to be doing some hiking in the mountains. This room right here is everything. It's the Hotel Metropole Geneva, and it is beautiful, just beautiful. Everything is honestly like right here. You can see it. It's not like the other hotel I stayed in that was a bit more like roomy. But as you guys can see, I've already hung up multiple jackets. Why did I bring so many jackets and hoodies? I will never know. You got your safe right there, which is really, really nice. This is so cute. They got your little shoe horn for your shoes. They got this little brush. I don't know what that's gonna brush, but whatever. All the things, of course, all the things. All right, let's see what else we have here. I am in love with this bathroom. I love that I can just see in it. I can take a shower and be looking out the window at the same time. You've got your little sink here. This is so nice. Oh my God. Your electrical appliances, they have like these scales in all the rooms. I guess they say, like, you know what? If you want to eat here all you want, and if you want to get big, we're going to let you know how much weight you gaining on this vacation. I love it. I love it. You got obviously your good mirror there, this bathtub. I love a space with an actual bathtub. You got your robe. And then let's see what's inside of here. Pull this open. And of course you have your private little throne room with your telephone right there, just in case, I guess, want to make a call and get there. I'm doing your thing. Anyway, you got your little mini bar right here. You guys can see I am definitely doing breakfast in bed tomorrow. I love that you can tell them what time you want your breakfast. I missed this in my other hotel. They did the same thing, but I love it. I love it. Technically, I could still order breakfast, he said. You've got your coffee machine here. So fancy. I have no idea what to do with it, but I want some coffee. There's no telling how lit I'm going to be later because I also want some more Swiss coffee as well. You got all of the teas. Whatever tea you want, you got it right here. I don't know what's in here. Oh, yes. All the things. The things are here. Look at this Olivia Pope-sized teacup. Perfect for tea party. You can also have your espressos, your double espresso. Is this an espresso? Oh, this is an espresso. Oh, my God. That is so nice. Oh, I guess you got to put some water in here in the back. Then, guys, y'all, look at this. First of all, the fact that this room it has got to be a whole, I don't know, maybe like 20 feet tall. I don't know, I'm very bad with all that. But anyway, I'm 6'3", and I still got that ways to go. That's pretty spacious. You have your little writing desk right here, so you can do some work. I'm doing none. And then this view. Look at this view. You see the water shooting up? You guys can see it like right there. Of course, the park. People are out. It's actually a really, really nice day. It's kind of cool, but I think you can actually, oh yeah, you can actually open this window right here. This, guess it's your heat source. Look what they have. Look at this. What's in here? Oh, it's tied. What is this? Chocolate. What is that? Velvet and oranges. Nice little sitting area here. And look at this bed. I'm like in awe. This room is literal perfection. It's perfect. We're gonna be here for one night, but I obviously had to give you guys the tour. I think if you are gonna stay in Geneva, like this is this. Oh, look what you could do. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Can't see in the bathroom. I can see in the bathroom. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, y'all. So that is the room tour. So special. Y'all, the hour has finally arrived. My travel compadre has finally arrived via train from Paris, France. Yes. To go back, the start of this trip was actually supposed to start off in Paris, but because I purchased a home, I needed some extra time to get that situated. And so I decided that I would meet her in Geneva. Now, I had passed this wine and beef cafe the day before, and I knew that this was going to be our first stop once she arrived. I felt like it was spectacular when I looked inside the day before, and the food honestly did not disappoint. We both had the burgers, we both had the fries, and of course, we also had to wash it down with some crisp glasses of champagne. You guys are gonna hear me talking about crisp glasses of champagne quite a bit throughout this trip. I'm just gonna go ahead and warn you to get used to it. Look at these burgers. Oh my God. I had to film it because in my mind, I'm like, you gotta see this food. You gotta see all the things. To finish off, we also had some coffee. Now, what was cool here is that they provided us with these complimentary desserts to go along with our coffee. I believe these were Americanos, but I want you guys to notice something. I feel like the coffee in Switzerland had more of a brownish color before adding the cream to it versus what I noticed more here in the States with coffee that is typically black, but maybe it was just the specific types we were ordering. All right, we left there and of course we had to do some shopping. I tried not to be that person who was filming in the Chanel store. I did end up buying a Chanel necklace. They did end up providing us with some champagne. I have more to tell you about purchasing designer items over $300 a little bit later. Stay tuned for that. But here we are heading back to the hotel because we're going to change for some pre-dinner cocktails at the rooftop winter bar at the hotel. We were recommended to go there, and of course, if you do stay here, it is best to make a reservation before heading up to the bar to ensure that you have a space. I want you guys to get into this. This is the Met entrance. It's just giving like winter wonderland type vibes. And I think, as you guys will see, once we get inside, the winter wonderland vibes will continue. My question is, do y'all like to drink? Because if you do, then this spot is the place for you. Now, she had this sweet little decadent dessert, but what I had was the sorbet. But the sorbet was in a martini glass filled with vodka. This was insane. When I tell you your boy was lit, I was lit. And on the way home, we found this nice little hookah spot. It was an amazing night. I am laying in the bed and I just discovered that this mirror, this huge mirror, is a television. Y'all, I'm tripping right now. Are you serious? That is so sexy to me. I have no idea what's playing right now, but wow, this is so neat. What in the world? I consider myself somebody who is a big fan of technology, but I did not see this coming. This is so sexy to me. I feel like I need this in my home. Wow. I just had to show you this because I was like, this is crazy to me. Am I the only one that hasn't seen something like this? And that wraps up our night for part 4 in the series. Be sure to tap in for part 5 because we are actually headed to a new city and we're taking the train. We are headed to the city of Lucerne. If you're interested in more Switzerland travel, if you're interested in knowing more about our trek from Geneva to Lucerne to Grindelwald and more, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell button, be sure to like this video, and leave a comment down below. If you guys have questions that you want me to answer in future videos, please feel free to do so, and be sure to also check the description. For each video, I give you a very detailed summary of everything that I maybe didn't get a chance to explain in the video so that you guys can have a more in-depth version of exactly what I experienced and my thoughts on it now.